name is Chuck. I used to be in the Israel. I was the Deputy National Security Council advisor. For the last decade, I've been an academic teaching both Israel and here in the United States. Well, there's a deep national conflict here that's been the last 100 years. There are two sides who claim sovereignty over the same piece of territory. I understand the Palestinian position. I believe that they have, for the most part, did any compromise proposals. I don't want to put the blame on the Palestinian side. There's a right-wing government in Israel today, and Israel has all Palestinian claims, of course. There's a settlement issue, which is considered to be a big Palestinian side, and of course it isn't the obstacle to an agreement. But I think Israel has put some dramatic proposals on the table. The Palestinian side has put the Palestinian proposal on the table. I think we have to see fundamental change on the Palestinian side before we can. Well, I think that the only realistic solution is the so-called two-state solution, and the Palestinians, which would live in peace with Israel. I don't believe that people throw out. I don't think. After 20 years of ongoing contacts between sides, we don't have that solution yet. But that there is an alternative. I think we need change in terms of the leaderships, both sides, before we can potentially reach a breakthrough. I don't think there are very programs to promote understanding between the peoples, between Israelis and Palestinians, Jews and Muslims as a whole, and I think it's important. But I think the real change on national leaders.
We have to ideas of the leaders themselves.
The ideas and the political parties in power. The Palestinians in the West Bank and Gaza. Gaza is ruled by Hamas, which is a fundamental organization. The Palestinian Authority does speak about peace with Israel. Hamas does not. First of all, they become one unified government. Before they can reach a final deal, they want to. Abbas, the Palestinian, cannot sign a final deal because he doesn't speak on behalf of all of the Palestinians. He doesn't speak on behalf of Gaza. And as I was saying, we need a change in Israeli as well, because this government is not one that wants to make concessions. There will be a election in the next, maybe even sooner, which government next time.